Okay, it's Tuesday, January 11th. Just wanted to follow up on NVDA here. It's about 10:30 in the morning, so 2 hours into trading. Just wanted to kind of show you what's developed on the 15-minute chart. We did open lower, as discussed on the first video. We then actually had an inside bar and then another, buy here that did reach the initial bar high. I was targeting the blue lines, which is more overnight high, in line with what the big picture is doing in terms of following through from yesterday. But then we end up with an inside bar, and then we break to the downside. So for the moment, nothing. We gotta be out of the market at that point. But then we come down, we form another inside bar, and then we break higher. So that was the one that took us up to these targets eventually. So it was a little tricky and choppy today. But I mean, if in terms of just following the 15-minute chart and the signals, you wouldn't be hurt too bad. There were opportunities, and we've reached the high. Again, in the bigger picture, if I go to the daily chart, this was a reversal day from yesterday. So we are anticipating, as long as we hold, whoops, get that out of there. As long as we hold the midpoint of yesterday, we're looking for follow through higher. And given the fact that this is a major reversal from, a pretty big downtrend that's been in place recently, I guess it makes some sense that you have a little choppiness before you head higher. So that was something I was actually anticipating a little bit. I didn't think you were just going to immediately continue higher right out of the gates, given the big push up yesterday towards the end of the day. So there's nothing abnormal about this at all. It's just choppy. You got to kind of understand that once you open down right away, that you might have some of that. But either way, did reach the target. Again, you don't even know if we're going to follow through much, since we did really open below yesterday's close and head lower. This could be a choppy day, just kind of a pause day before we head higher. And maybe we're going to fail here even on this reversal day from yesterday and start lower in the days ahead. I can't predict it. But at least for today, there was a good high probability we're going to extend a little bit higher. And this is the way it developed on NVIDIA today.